This isn't about buying low and hoping. I built this Phantom wallet up to $978,000 by launching coins with a real strategy. Watch closely, I'll show you how it works. I don't even want to count how many times I got rugged. You buy in early, think you're smart, next thing you know, liquidity's gone, chart nuked, wallet drained. That's when I stopped buying and I started launching. Now I'm the one creating coins. No coding, no marketing. I just launch, let the buyers ape in, and take profit once it pumps. And yes, it is completely repeatable. This video shows you the full strategy from wallet to launch to cash out. Keep watching. By the way, this video is made for educational and entertainment purposes only, so please don't copy me, cap. If you've been launching coins on Pump.Fun, you're probably realizing how crowded and chaotic it's become. Thousands of projects, no real visibility, and you're stuck behind a bonding curve hoping to graduate before buyers vanish. And that's why I moved to create Tokens.Fun and never looked back. When you launch coins here, your coins goes directly to the Raydium DEX. It's instantly tradable, visible on DEX Screener from the second it's live, and ready for volume. No delays, no unlocking, no guesswork. This one switch changed everything. Because now, every coin I launch shows up in real feeds where actual buyers are looking. Coins that are launched on Tokens.Fun hit higher market caps, pump faster, and attract more serious buyers. You're not lost in the crowd, you're actually in the spotlight. If you're serious about launching meme coins that move, stop using outdated platforms and start launching where it counts. Tokens.Fun isn't just faster, it's smarter, and once you use it, you won't go back. Here's how easy it is to make your own meme coin on Tokens.Fun and why this site is different. You've got two ways to launch a coin. First, make an original coin. Type in your token name, drop a symbol, and then upload an image, and you've got a coin built from scratch. It's clean, simple, and works every single time if you've got a creative concept or funny angle. But here's what I usually do, and why I keep printing profits. Click the Copy Trending Coins tab right here. This section pulls in the best performing coins from Pump.Fun. Coins that are already working, trending, already pumping, and already proven to get volume. It's a shortcut to success. All you do is you pick one of those coins, relaunch it through Tokens.Fun, and you're live on Raydium in seconds. It shows up immediately on DEX Screener and on the graduated tab or section right here. It's tradable right away, and you get real buyers without having to hype up anything. Why guess what works when the winners are already in front of you? Steal the trend, launch it, and get paid for it. Alright, let's stop wasting time. We're going live. This coin, Chainlink, just hit my radar. It's at a $41.4 thousand market cap, and the last buy was literally 31 seconds ago. That's perfect momentum. First, connect your wallet, so let me just disconnect it real quick for y'all guys. After that, connect your wallet, boom, and then click on create coin. After that, okay, a warning will pop up, totally normal, just click continue, confirm, I understand, confirm, and wait a few seconds. And there it is, coin just launched. Now if I click on view on SoScan, you can see that it's live and it hit the blockchain. The site works flawlessly, no delays, no code, no bullshit. Now let's move on to the next step and set up the liquidity pool. So now that the coins are out there, it's time to add liquidity. This step makes it tradable on chain. The layout might look complex, but it's dead simple. Your custom token and your Solana binds should be already selected, nothing to change. For amount token A, click 90%. This puts 900 million tokens into the liquidity pool. Now, under amount token B, enter how much Solana you're using to seed it. This is your own buy, not a loss. You're the first buyer, and you'll get it back if you pull the liquidity later. I recommend 0.4 SOL. Just enough to look legit and not too risky. Obviously the minimum is 0.3 Solana and the maximum is 1 SOL. It's not written here, but yeah. Now click on create pool and your Phantom will show up. Yes sir. Confirm in Phantom. wait a couple seconds, and then hit refresh. And then if I scroll down, you can see that the Raydium pool is created, and I'm already up $70 in profit, which is decent for the beginning, but it can go up really fast. And if I click on view on Photon, and then the coin is live. Okay, the coin shot up a lot. Oh my fucking god. Let me go see who's buying in. Why is it kind of slow now? Oh, it's getting sales. Okay, now a bunch of buys are coming in. Let's fucking go. Now, the coin will start at a 5k market cap. Now it's at 12k in a matter of a couple seconds. Come on. Yo, this coin is really volatile. It might go to like 20k, even 50k in a couple minutes. Not even sure. Okay, we're getting sales now. Okay, now, as meme coin launchers, we have to look at the volume and at the liquidity. Those two are the most important metrics. Oh, now it's going down a bit. But yeah, now, if you are a trader, you have to be looking at the market cap as usual. But for us, it's a bit useless. Yeah. And now we're going to check our profits. So to check our profits, come back to createtokens.fun. And after that, click on refresh. And boom, as you can see, oh my god, $1,700 in profit, which is not bad. And as you can see, 12 so in profit, but obviously minus the 0.4 after, and that's the real profits. I'm gonna give this coin a couple minutes, and we're gonna see where it is. So yeah, be right back. Yo, I am back in business, and yeah, I did a major mistake when I was gone for 10 minutes. Looks like the coin pumped to like $60,000. I could have made a shit ton of money. Now it's at $21,000, which is still up in profit. I'm still up in profit, obviously, but you know, I could have made way more, like 3 times more. It's not bad though. 20,000 in liquidity, $200,000 in volume, which is kind of normal for me. And yeah, the coin is kind of dead. There's like no more transactions coming in. Oh yeah, whoops. Let me just go to the top. Yeah, there's like no transactions coming in. It's like kind of dead. The coin is kind of dead. But yeah, to remove the liquidity, come back to createtokens.fun. And first of all, we're going to refresh the page. Okay, so we're up $2,692 USD, which is 465%. 18 so, that's not bad. I mean, I could have made way more, bro. Come on. Okay, now click on the minus button, and here you can choose how much liquidity you want to remove. I'm going to do like 30% because, you know, I'm chasing my loss. So 30%. Oh my god, come on. Bro, remove liquidity. And as you can see here, we're going to receive 3.92 so in our wallet. After that, click on confirm. And boom, that's exactly how you remove the liquidity. And let's open my Phantom wallet to see if it's there. Yes sir, $600 is in my wallet. I received 3.9 so. And hold on, I just want to say that if you want to contact me personally, I have a Telegram group down below, and just go there and DM me there. And yeah, bye.